Here we are, Louisiana Star with badass Stevie. And very suspicious Spencer. And we're down the duck pond with what is it? AR-15. AR-15. I haven't shot this yet. This is the first crack at it, and it has been misloading.
Yeah.
You like? Oh, mother of God.